Hello, this is the fantastic Cart Tek electric golf push cart with remote control, best priced lithium battery electric golf caddy with free accessory bundle. Based on our customer favorite Gri-1350Lh, this lithium-ion battery powered remote control golf trolley is sure to impress all users. With the brute strength afforded by the tubular steel frame and the convenience of a 3.5-pound lithium-ion battery, the Gri-1350Lh is both tough and agile. With the efficient new 24-volt powertrain with sleek internal drive motors and gearboxes, Gri-1350Lh continues the great maneuverability that Cart Tek has become known for, climbing the steepest of fairways and descend with ultimate control. The best remote control lithium-powered golf caddies in the industry. All done with a battery weighing only 3.5 pounds. Incredible. Gri-1350Lh powered remote-controlled golf caddy features and benefits. Programmable, full-feature remote control. 4 factory speed settings, or program your own. Adjustable turning force and electronic tracking. Twin 24-volt high-torque motors. 24-volt, 8.8 lithium-ion battery weighing only 3.5 pounds. 2-year warranty on battery. Battery rated at 500+ charging cycles. Comes with lithium-ion battery charger and toolkit. Waterproof eco housing for use in wet conditions. Quick transition to freewheel mode. Free accessory package, plastic scorecard ball holder, mesh drink holder and umbrella holder. What's in the box? Gri-1350Lh electric golf trolley with remote control. 8.8 lithium-ion battery and charger. Accessory bundle, scorecard, drink, and umbrella holders. User manual. 1-year warranty. It has 3 modes: remote, trolley, and freewheel, 3 carts in 1 for the ultimate value. Programmable settings, turning force, speed buttons, tracking. Customize your caddy to your needs. The powerful 24-volt lithium-ion battery lasts up to 2 rounds without charging. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.